Last night, I attended a book party. Last week, I read the book. Washington, D.C. book parties are not often about the Kurds, but this one was. The book's title is Resurgence and Revolution. Its subtitle is The PKK and the Kurdish Fight in Turkey and Syria. Aliza Marcus is its author. It's a follow-up to her first book, Blood and Belief, The PKK and the Kurdish Fight for Independence. The goal of independence is gone. So is the name PKK as of spring 2025. And if you take Öcalan at his word, the fight, the key word in both titles, is on its way out too. Or is it? Two stories from the second book tell you why not. A Kurdish cleric, Mohammed Mashuk Khaznawi, goes missing in Damascus on May 10, 2005. 3 weeks later, his tortured body is found in Deir ez-Zor. Kurds take to the streets of their cities to protest the murder. Assad sends an emissary to Qamishli to placate the Kurdish leaders. The emissary invites them to a meeting with the president in Damascus. The Kurds fly to the capital on their own dime. Instead of meeting the president, they meet Ali Mamluk, the head of Syrian intelligence. 6 years later, the Arab Spring reaches the streets of Syria. Again, a presidential emissary visits Qamishli. This time, he comes with a request and a plane too, to fly the Kurdish leaders to Damascus for a meeting with the president. This time, the Kurds decline the invitation. By refusing to cooperate with injustice, they invoke Gandhi without knowing it. Malcolm X used to say, "I am not interested in being American because America has never been interested in me." Many Kurds feel the same way in Turkey, Syria, Iran, and Iraq. Marcus painstakingly explains why that feeling persists. If Kurds are your concern, her books are for you. With love.